Cracked it. I ran the test and got my answer. Stick around for the reveal. Previously I showed that the 14-degree Matchfit Dovetail Cutter made slots that only worked with Matchfit clamps. But slots from an 8-degree cutter fitted Festool and T-slot clamps as well as the Matchfit ones. If you haven't seen the previous video and its follow-up question, there's a link in the description below. To see which cutter works best, I got 10 and 12 degree dovetail cutters and reran the tests. In theory, the nearer to 14 degrees the better, the greater slope of the walls giving stronger slots. I set the cut depths and cut relief and dovetail slots as before, details in the previous video. So how did the 12 degree slot do? Matchfit clamp, tick. Looking good. Festool clamp, still too big for the slot. To be honest, I wasn't expecting a lot from this option, so not exactly shocking. So is the 10 degree cutter the winner? Place your bets, we're going to spin again. Setting the cut depths for the 10 and 12 degree cutters proved easier than I thought. It seemed just using the Matchfit guide would likely work, so I tried just that. No shims unless you use a track, and no extended depths. So, height set, I cut another relief slot and a 10 degree slot. So how did the 10 degree slot do with a Festool clamp? Still not right? But wait, it's so close. Like new shoes you can get into, but they're a little bit tight. I ease the Festool clamp around and plywood eases pretty quickly. Done once, it's good after that. This wouldn't work in hardwood, but I'm not going to make a worktop out of American hard maple or sapele or some such. The other clamps both fit just fine, exactly as expected. So, and the winner is? Well, that's a personal choice. If you prefer easier to cut, less slack and a bit more strength, go for the 10 degree. Just know that you have to work a Festool clamp along the length of each slot once to loosen it a tad. But if you want it to work straight away, go with the 8 degree. It's more fuss to cut as you need shims to set the depth, and it might not last as long. And for T-slot clamps, there's more slack. My vote? I'm going with the 10. I'll cut a slot once but use it many times. For the cost of a couple of minutes, I'll take the other benefits. But that's just me. What would you choose? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next one.